Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you best Shopify apps for website design. So, when you are going to talk about the website design, page creation, page design, and also landing pages, you need some apps or some specific integration that you are going to integrate into your Shopify store that will make that happen. So, you can get the replacement for that by getting some themes, but nearly all the themes or the high end themes are going to be very expensive. So either it is going to be from the Shopify theme library or from the Envato elements. So here I have put in this video some of the best or five of the best apps that you are going to find into the Shopify App Store, apps or integration that you can use to make better your pages and get a high converting or conversion pages. So let's talk about the first one. The first one is going to be named Pagefly. It is going to be named in the Shopify App Store, Pagefly Landing Page Builder. So this app or this integration is going to be free. So it is going to be a versatile drag and drop page builder. So we are going to get the specific Pagefly editor or builder, page builder, for creating custom landing pages, product pages, and also blog posts without the help of coding. So we are going to get here a drag and drop editor, which is going to be the most simplest editor that you can find on the web with no help of someone, and it is going to be just like that. Everything is going to be readable, everything is going to be very simple, and no need for help. So, the standout feature for that specific Pagefly landing page builder are going to be the extensive library of pre designed templates and also elements for the quick page creation. Now, let me show you how you can find this specific Pagefly landing page builder into your Shopify store. You're going to head over here. Then I'm going to exit that page first. We are going to copy and paste or put, for example, the name of Pagefly. You're going to get this. Instead, if it is not going to be showing, you're going to head over here and then you're going to see it in here. This is the official logo of it. You're going to install the integration into your store and this is it. So basically you are going to get the access from your navigator bar from here. So here the or this app or this builder is going to be best for the merchants who want flexibility, creative form or freedom in designing the multiple pages types to enhance user experience and drive conversions. It is going to be ideal for those managing the promotionals, campaigns, and diverse product lines. So it is going to be very, let's say, classy, and it is going to be used for the high-end brands. So you can see that we have Wrangler as a partner or the Plus Merchant. We have Chicago Music Exchange. We have Condor and etc. So it is going to be a uh, very, very good page builder. Now, let's jump to the next page builder, and it is going to be Gym Pages Landing Page Builder. So, this is the full name of this integration or this app. You can type in Gym Page in here. You're going to type in here, for example, Gym or like that, Gym Page, and you're going to see it just right there. You can go ahead and visit it into the Shopify store and see it just in here. So this is the official app. So to represent this app, it is going to be offering an intuitive drag and drop interface to create the high converting landing pages with ease, just like the Pagefly that we have. The definition for these page builders are going to be nearly the same. So we are going to get the nearly the same experience as the uh, Pagefly that we have presented before, but we are going to see some more standout features like the built-in optimization tools to enhance the page loading speed and also the SEO performance. And that is something that we've haven't into the Pagefly. So the SEO performance are going to be very well welcomed into any type of stores because it is going to get some or more traffic into your store, and also it is going to have the organic traffic instead of the exaggerated paid traffic. So this is a specific builder is going to be best for the store owners who are focused on creating visually stunning, fast loading pages and to boost the sales and improve the search engine visibility or gain the SEO friendly badge. So you can put that in between brackets. So it is going to be, or this gym pages builder is going to be perfect for businesses prioritizing the speed and performance since it is going to have here the loading page or the loading time reduced a little bit. So basically, that is going to be very simple. So you can get here a free plan to start with the gem pages. And also, as you can see, we have the a drag and drop and also the AI helper on or assistant into the builder of them. So now let's jump to the third page builder or the website designer. It is going to be eComposer Landing Page Builder. This is the full name of that. So you can go ahead and type in eComposer, for example, in the Shopify store, eComposer, just like that, and you're going to see it in here. So you can install it from your Shopify store and get that ready. So eComposer is going to allow you to build responsive landing pages, home pages, and also product pages with real-time editing. So you are going to get the landing page or the product page that you have created, and you are going to see it live. So you're going to get the live preview of that page, see if it is going to work properly or not. And this is going to be very, let's say, interesting in the term of the appearances and visibility or instance visibility. So you're going to not set the process, but before the process of the page is going to be live, you're going to see that. So the standout features of this specific builder are going to be the responsiveness design capabilities that will ensure the pages to look great on all devices. So they are going to, let's say here, prioritize the page adequation or adaptation to the device that has been used, even if it is going to be a tablet, a mobile phone, or a desktop. So these type of builders or this builder, particularly this one, is going to be very attractive for small businesses or small medium-sized businesses aiming to deploy the responsive pages quickly and efficiently without extensive design knowledge. So it is going to be great for beginners or teams with limited design resources and also for those who want to go on a budget. Now, let's go to the fourth builder. I'm going to let you see it. It is going to be named Shogun Page Builder. This is the full name of it. So you can go ahead and type in Shogun into the Shopify search bar. Here, either it is you are going to put the name of the pages or page builders or not. We're going to link them in our videos, so you're going to get the link directly to them. So Shogun Page Builder is going to be a powerful page builder with advanced design element and A/B testing functionality. That means that you are going to get here the either a pay option that is going to be installed or another option it is going to be installed. So also it is going to have here the A/B test. That means that it is going to present for the let's say the popularity or the traffic that has been visiting your store, two versions of the page or the product page. And each one of the version are going to be calculating or making some analytics for the favorite one for the user visuals. So if it is going to have here or the first one or the let's say here the page A or design A are going to or is going to generate more leads, it is going to be saved and it is going to be set up or labeled as a top design. If it is not, it is going to be replacing that with the design B. So the standing features of that specific builder are going to be having the A/B testing to compare the different page designs and also optimize the performance. That is going to be something that we have acquired before. And the usefulness of this specific page builder are going to be for the merchants who valued the advanced design capabilities and data driven tools. So the data driven tools are related to the A/B tests for optimizing their store's performance. So it is going to be ideal for large scale businesses or those running multiple marketing experiments. So now let's talk about the last page builder or website builder, which is going to be called Layout Hub. So you're going to get obviously the link inserted in the description section. This specific builder will provide you an easy drag and drop editor, as it is going to be for all of the editors or the builders. And also, it is going to have a section with a pre-made layout for building pages quickly. The standout features of this builder are going to be the user-friendly interface with a focus on the simplicity and also the speed. That means that we are going to have here a simple website and also some simple themes that, as you can see, we have preset or a pre-made template that will help you gain time and create directly a landing page or a website adequate for that specific product or a specific brand that you have already. And you're going to get or put some free editing or some few adjustment into some pages and some color designs. This type of builders is going to be best for the store owners or the simple store owners that are going to seek for a simple and efficient way to enhance their store designs without technical expertise. So, like the simple ones like me. So, if I want to use a simple page builder like this one, I'm going to use Layout Hub, for example, for the simplicity and not the complexity of elements. So we have some plans. We have the free plan, the basic, the pro, and the single plan. Each one of the plan has their own feature, and it is not going to be that complicated to use. And also, it is going to be excellent for beginners or those who need quick results into the e-commerce domain. Basically, that was all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.